How to fix Instacart's shopper not picking up order. Here, the very first thing you want to do is check your order status. You can open your Instacart application, and then from here, what you're going to do is simply tap on your profile icon on the top right, where you'll be able to see your orders. Tap on that order tab in order to verify if a shopper has accepted your batch or not. After doing that, you can again try to open your order details, where you can see the edit button. Tap on that one, and you can hire tips that actually attracts the shopper faster during the busy hour, and see if that trick help you guys. So after doing all of that, if it's still not working, then try to edit the delivery time window to later time slot or the next day when the driver is available in hire. And from there, if no shopper assigns after several hours, then you can try to cancel your order without the penalty via the in-app, and you can reorder it. And I'm pretty sure you'll be able to fix that Instacart shopper not picking up order.